How to invite friends on Temu. Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends to join Temu in just a few easy steps. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get into it. Start by opening the Temu app on your phone. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your existing account first. Once you're in, you're all set to move on to the next step. Now at the bottom center of the screen, tap on the U tab. Then tap on Settings icon in the top right corner. And here's an important step. You need to change your country or region to the United States or Canada. Temu's invite and gift programs are often region-specific, and most of the best offers appear when you're set to the US. Once you've done that, go back to the main U screen. After you've changed your region, you should now see a new option on your profile page that says Earn Rewards. Tap on it. This section is where Temu runs different referral-based games or promotions. You'll likely see things like Get a free gift or Earn credit by inviting friends, Group buy offers. Choose the one you're interested in. For this video, we'll go with Redeem credit. You'll now see a list of rewards available to you. Now comes the most important part. Inviting people may get you a voucher or redeem gifts. You might be prompted to choose a gift. You can skip that if you're not interested. Once done, you'll be taken to a screen that says Refer New Users. Tap on it. You'll see options like Copy Link, Copy Code, or Share directly to social apps. Tap Copy Link to copy your referral link to your clipboard. Now, you can paste this link anywhere, in a WhatsApp message, Instagram DM, or Discord. Other than this, try the easy way to invite friends. Go to the U tab. At the top of page, tap on the gear icon to access the settings. Scroll and look for the Share This App option. Tap on it. To start the invitation process, you will now see several options to send the intro link like via message, Facebook Messenger, and others. I'm going to use Messenger to send the link. Go ahead and send the link to your friend, and you're done. You have successfully invited a friend to Temu. And there you have it. That's how you can invite your friends to Temu and start unlocking free gifts and rewards with ease. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.